Bitcoin hoodie guy coming back with another Kaspa video here. Nice to see some green candles. I tried to make a video yesterday, but I couldn't get it to export out of iMovie. So here we are, even bigger gains yesterday. We were up into the 13-cent range. Now we're getting close to 15 cents. Before we get into it, could you Mike Tyson the like and subscribe button? Thank you very much. And yeah, so you can see we're pushing back up 17%. You can see that Bitcoin did get up to about 68,000. It's pulled back, but overall you can see the market, a lot of these coins are up 5-6%. Kaspa's up about 18% the last day. That's what we like to see. 323,000 addresses, that's climbing up. You can see that Aquaman hasn't moved in the last couple days. Only 10 wallets in the top 58 have been active. Check out the old proof of work. Doge 2.2 million the last 24 hours. Kaspa 1.6, Bitcoin 60 million. Hash rate 185. You can see it's spending more time over 190. You zoom out, you can see that's looking beautiful. Here we go. Sometimes I hop on Reddit, see what people are saying. Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation announced today smart contracts coming. And so that sounds like exciting. Check that out. I have the first time I've seen that. We'll check out and see the KaspaFoundation.org supporting the Kaspa ecosystem. Let's see. So right here you can see the KEF is accelerating Kaspa smart contract development by funding initiatives for recruitment, research, and more to be overseen by Jonathan Saplinski. So that's exciting. More development there. So yeah, I'm just being patient and waiting. Yeah, it was too bad. Tried to make a video yesterday, but kept climbing. So that's cool. Just gotta be patient. You never know what the next day's price action is going to be, but when you've got a project and you're letting the technology fill out, the narratives fill out, and the money capital rotates around to different narratives in crypto, just got to be patient. And so that's cool that the KEF is working on funding smart contract development overseen by Jonathan. So yep, just got to be patient. Let me know what you think. Did you buy the dip? And yeah, we just got the halving coming up, and there's just a lot of money flowing in the crypto. You probably saw that the world's largest pension fund explores Bitcoin as an investment. They have 1.4 trillion. So even if they just put 1 to 3, 4, 5% in there, that could be a substantial amount. And Bitcoin leads the charge, and you can see that there's all these other pension funds in the United States. Some states have really big pension funds for public employees and things like that. And then you got all those sovereign funds. And when you got the debt going up in the United States, and then you got a lot of money to be spent on Medicare, Social Security, defense, and interest. You go on the time machine, they're projecting in 2028 that you're going to have, once this loads up here, you're going to have just $2.6 billion to spend on the interest of the debt, $1.4 billion on the military, $2 trillion on these are trillions, sorry, $2.6 trillion on the interest of the debt, $1.4 trillion on defense, $2 trillion on Social Security, $2.3 trillion on Medicare. That all comes back to Kaspa's. The higher Bitcoin soars, the more it gives other altcoins room to soar up, more liquidity. Some people that made money in Bitcoin got sucked in by Bitcoin, and then they're looking for some other narratives and some other projects that can pump up a little bit higher. You can see, sometimes they're doing their own thing. A lot of these are 5 or 6%. Kaspa is 18%. So stay bullish, my friends. Thanks for watching.